In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace to fill your properties. Using Facebook Marketplace can be a game changer when it comes to renting or selling real estate. It's a vast platform that allows you to reach a wide audience without much hassle. So let's dive into the process together, and I'll guide you through each step. Start by heading over to Facebook. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the menu. Among the options, there is Marketplace, which looks like a little storefront icon. Click on it. This area is where all the magic happens for buying and selling in your local community. Now that you're in the Marketplace, look for the option that says Create New Listing. This option is usually to the left, maybe close to the top of your screen. Click on it to start crafting your listing. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of listing you'd like to create. For real estate needs, you'll select Home for Sale or Rent. This ensures your listing is categorized correctly and reaches the right audience searching in the marketplace. With your category set, it's time to add visual appeal by uploading photos or videos. Visuals are incredibly important as they create the first impression and allow potential renters or buyers to imagine themselves in the space. Choose clear and high-resolution images or a short walkthrough video that showcases the best features of the property. Once you've uploaded your visuals, you'll need to select Rent as your option if you're looking to fill a rental property. This is important to correctly classify your listing so it reaches the audience that's specifically searching for rental accommodations. Next, you'll need to provide more specific details about your property. Start by choosing the property type, whether it's an apartment, house, or any other type of property you are listing. Follow this by typing in the number of bedrooms available. This information is crucial for search filters that potential renters use to narrow down their options. Continue by specifying the number of bathrooms in the property. This is another essential detail that can affect a potential renter's decision, so be accurate. Now input the price at which you want to rent the property. Pricing is key. Make sure it's competitive yet reflective of the value you're providing. Once the price is entered, the next detail is the location. Enter the property's location so it shows up in searches by people interested in properties in your specific area. Finally, double check all your information for accuracy, and when you're ready, click on Next and then Publish. A great tip here is to share your listing in various groups of realtors on Facebook to increase visibility and attract more interest. And there you have it. You've successfully created a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Follow these steps carefully and you'll see just how effective this platform can be in filling your properties with quality tenants or buyers.